A regular and thorough safety check of your horse pasture and fence line can help prevent injuries, escapees, and expensive repairs. Begin by walking the entire fence line, every foot of it. Look for loose boards, sagging wire, or broken posts. Check that all posts are solid and upright. For electric fences, test the wire tension and make sure it's tight and intact. If your fence is electrified, use a fence tester to confirm it's working. Inspect all gates and latches. Gates should swing freely and latch securely. No sharp edges or dragging corners. Now look inside the pasture. Remove any hazards, like broken branches, trash, toxic plants, or holes in the ground. These can cause injuries or even colic if your horse ingests something he shouldn't. Make sure horses have clean water and access to shade or shelter. Check that water troughs are clean and not leaking, and that the footing around them isn't muddy or slippery. A weekly basic pasture and fence line safety check can make a big difference in keeping your horses safe, healthy, and where they're supposed to be.